All right, welcome to Uncle Andrew Math Channel, episode 3. In this episode, I'm gonna explain workbook page 71. Question 1. Use synthetic substitution to find p-3 for each polynomial, right? So if I have a p of x equals x cubed minus 8x squared plus 7x plus 20. And p negative means I use a substitute x with -3, which should be -3 cubed minus 8 -3 squared plus 7 times -3 and plus 20. Okay, it will be -27 minus this is -9, -9 times 8, 72 minus 72 minus 21 plus 20. Right? Well, what it will be? So 99, 120 plus 20 is -100. Okay, this is the answer I'm looking for. So P -3 equal -100. But this is not the way they want us to do. They want you synthetic substitution. Synthetic substitution. What is that? Right? So before we use this method, I want to explain. Right. When I do division, for example, 20 divided by 7, I would say equals 2, and remainder is 6. Remainder 6. Okay. If I know this, I can rewrite 20 to another form. 20 equals 7 times 2 plus 6. Okay, so what is this? So this is dividend. Dividend equal divisor times quotient plus remainder. All right? Again, dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. We're going to use this method to find this. How to do that, all right? So x, so I want to use this, x cubed minus 8x plus 7x plus 20 divided by x plus 3. Okay, then I will get a quotient and I will get a remainder. All right? I'm going to explain why I need to use this method, how it helps us to find this easier. Right? So I use this divided by that, I will get a quotient, I get a remainder. Okay. So I can rewrite this just like here. My dividend equals divisor multiply the quotient plus remainder. Okay. If I plug in x equals -3 here, on the left-hand side of the equation, should be equals to here if I plug in x equal -3 to the polynomial here. But it will be much quicker because if I plug in x equal -3, this term, this equals 0 because -3 plus 3 equals 0. Then no matter what my quotient is, this term will be 0. So the value here is r when x equals -3. The value here when x equals -3 should be equal to my remainder. Equals this polynomial when x equals -3. This function when x equals -3. So we know a faster way to find remainder, which is use the synthetic division. So do I have other space? Okay. I have to change a little bit, all right? Maybe that, right here. So I want to use this, divide by that, use synthetic, synthetic equation. So, first of all, change sign, -3 here. All right? And write down your dividend. Only the coefficient. So that will be 1, -8, 7, and 20. 7, 20. All right. So what do we do? Edit. Multiply, edit, multiply, edit, multiply, edit. So put a 1 here, multiply, -3 times 1, -3, and edit. Okay, -11 times -3, 33, plus 40, okay, times this, and -120 is -100. All right, this is this, okay, and I got a quotient, but quotient is useless for. So this actually is here, the Q. The Q is x squared minus 11x plus 40. Right? And the remainder is -100. Send us the result here. The same. So which one you think is easier? You want to plug in -3 or use synthetic division? What do you think? Okay. Have a look at this. It's not too hard. Okay. See you next week. Bye-bye.